Hey, welcome back. Day 210, I think. Um, as you can maybe tell, but maybe not, it is past the actual like physical time of, you know, technically it's the same day for me because I haven't gone to bed yet, but it's like actually the next day. So on a technicality, maybe that's not coding every day, but I've done this exact same thing actually like twice before, so it's still fine. As long as it's the same conscious day, that's all that matters. Um, but yeah, not gonna code like actually in my background. It's just gonna be this. This is the video. Yeah, I don't know. Went to the lab today. Did coding there. Fixed like character models and animations and some autonomous movement. Changed like the rays for ray casting to detect movement. Yeah, just refine some stuff. Put together the slides for my presentation tomorrow morning, and gonna wake up and present those slides. Um, that's basically it. So yeah, um, that's all I have. I will see you tomorrow for day 211, where I will actually code. Probably, yeah, I'll actually code on. I mean, I coded today. It's coding every day. I coded today. Okay, and it's within the actual like conscious day. So technically, it's still valid. Okay, the point of the series was for me to code every day. I coded today. So, but tomorrow I'll record myself doing a leak code. So I hope that can slide. I'm rambling. I'm just gonna end this. Enjoy the rest of your day or night or whatever, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, take care. Bye.